there was 2 words spoken. I went in and I said, repair? Yeah. And I said, water. Oh. And that was it. So, no idea what it's going to cost us or if it's even repairable. Do you want to explore, experience and travel Vietnam from the comfort of your home? Click subscribe and join our tribe. Morning tribe.
Morning guys.
We are now in
Ninh Binh.
Ninh Binh. Tash was going to say Dong Hoi, weren't you?
No, we were just talking about Dong Hoi, that's why.
Whatever, you just slow. Anyway, we are in Ninh Binh, and as you can probably see behind us, the weather isn't so favourable today. What was our plan?
We were supposed to do Moor Cave and the Dragon's Back walk this morning, but it's not happening.
We were up around about 7:30ish, but it was raining pretty hard then. It's eased off now, so we've decided to take a punt. I think I'm pushing my luck here, but we noticed on the main drag at Ninh Binh there was heaps of phone repair shops. Like heaps, say.
Lucky for you.
More LED lighting than almost Tokyo. So we were like, right, let's take a shot. It has been nearly, what, 3-4 days?
Yep.
That phone went into the water and has not started again. I've plugged it in a few times just to see if maybe it's dried out a little bit more and wants to go. But no, not even a single vibrate when you plug that power pack in. So, and as with everything in Vietnam, there was 2 words spoken. I went in and I said, repair? Yeah. And I said, water. Oh, and that was it. So, no idea what it's going to cost us or if it's even repairable. We're brothers going to town on it, eh?
He sure is. He's even in there with dental scrapers.
Yeah, like, and this dude's got all the gears. He had microscopes and he had these little eye goggle things on. But yeah, we decided we would leave him to it and come grab a coffee, and then we'll roll back and see how it pans out.
Fingers crossed.
Toes too. That coffee of yours looks a little thick.
She's pretty thick, alright, and she'll be lining the stomach for a while today, I think. Send shivers down your spine.
You're not going to believe this. Show him the phone, Tash.
It's a miracle.
Push the button.
It works!
And not only does it work, but everything that was on there is there. So all the audio that we've recorded for the video over the last couple of days, it's all still there. The photos are there. Even my settings on Google Maps for where we're heading to next is there. He saved it. He rescued it. That is unreal. It went in the river water. I swam through the river with it. Went in the mud cave. Was splashing in the mud dirt. We threw mud at each other. Then we had to swim kayak back with it's still in my pocket. I had nowhere to put it. Unreal. Mud was coming out of the SIM card slot. I can't believe the SIM card still works. This guy rescued my phone.
He was pretty bloody good.
Yeah, I mean, he's had it for a few hours or more now, and we saw him shaking his head, getting a little frustrated. But it turned out the biggest deal was the LCD screen. We fried the LCD screen.
No, you.
We were both caving. You didn't check my pockets before I went swimming. The LCD screen fried. It was totally dead. He showed me with a test screen that he had. It all works sweet. So new LCD screen plus the service, the cleanup. He went through it like a dentist, getting all of that crap out of there. 1.5 million dong, which I'll do that on screen, the conversion, but off the top of my head, American dollars, roughly not even $100 bucks. No, not even $100 bucks. There was a bus. He was about to stop and pick us up. So, I mean, that compared to trying to source another phone, not knowing what you're buying, all that jazz, $100 bucks, Man, that is awesome.
Bargain.
And then I got the tempered glass screen protector on it, just to be safe, because I always have one. That was another 100,000 dong. Awesome service. Like I said, 2 words were spoken initially. Repair, water. And bang, brother figured it out. Like, that is, I just can't believe that it's actually working.
I can't believe it's going either, but I'm absolutely stoked because it means I get my phone back.
So, how long it lasts, who knows, but hey man, as long as it gets us, well, from here to everywhere else we need to go before it's time to leave, and as long as I can rescue all my audio. I need to get onto this cloud stuff, people. I need to learn about that, back my phone up, all that jazz, because I had just kissed goodbye to everything. So anyway, we're going to get out of the rain before we ruin another electronic good. Yeah, I just can't get over it. I'm stoked. We're going to put a pick up. If you're ever in Ninh Binh for some reason and you've killed your phone, come check these brothers out, because awesome job.